With Black Friday coming up, and as somebody who loves gardening, I thought it was the perfect time this morning to get in there and write my list to my Santas. So I made my list, and this is the top 5 things that I want as a gardener from my Santas, because they don't always know as non-gardeners what we need and what we would love to get. And I thought it would be useful for you too. If you have gardeners in your life, think practicality. Think about things that they're going to need every day in the garden. And gifts don't have to be expensive. They can be something as simple as plant clips. These can be bought at Dollar Tree, very inexpensive, and a great gift. You can train climbing plants with these clips. I can never have enough of these. A wide-brimmed hat. We're in the sun all the time working, and we need some protection. Wide brim, we get sunburn, skin damage, and it's not a pretty sight. I love my hats, and I'd love to wear a ball cap all the time because I love them. They're handy, but I need a wide-brimmed hat. That's really what I need, and that's on my list for this year. I'm hoping one of my Santas will get me a wide-brimmed hat. Doesn't even have to be stylish, just something that I wear here in the garden and does the job of protecting me, protecting my face, protecting my ears. To avoid getting any kind of skin cancer is a really important thing. So I really, really need a wide-brimmed hat. It may seem boring, but any gardener in your life that gets a new pair of gloves is going to be a happy camper, believe me. Ratty old things. And protective sleeves. We've got to have something to cover our arms, and nowadays they have these protective sleeves that are slip-on. The whole length of your arm is covered, and it protects you from the sun, and it helps protect from different injuries you might get from plant scratches. Happens all the time. So plant sleeves, perfect choice. And finally, gift cards. Gift cards are the perfect gift too. Let your gardener do the shopping for themselves and get them some gift cards. You can get some from Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, even grocery outlet. Yep, they sell plants. Make the gardener in your life a happy camper with gift cards. These are practical gifts that I can use in my garden all the time. Plant clips, gloves, protective wear. These are the things that are practical and are really helpful in the garden. You don't have to spend tons of money. Believe me, any gardener who gets some of these gifts or all of these gifts is going to be highly appreciative. We're going to love it because these are things that we need all the time. And these are just some of the things that I would like to get for myself as a gardener that I know that I could use in my garden. And I hope this is helpful to you. And if it is, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.